Hi, in this tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through how to add an HTML page in WordPress website. So as you can see currently, this is my WordPress website and I'm going to opening my file explorer, and here is a HTML website. I'm going to opening this index.html, and here we can see one page HTML website. Now I will add this single page HTML website in my WordPress website, and here's the steps to do it. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and then we have to install file manager plugin. So in this left hand menu, click on plugins and go to add new plugin section, and here you have to search for file manager. Now all you have to need, install and activate this file manager. Once the file manager plugin successfully activated, now in this left hand menu, scroll down and here you will find WP file manager. Just click on WP file manager, and then here you will find all of your WordPress website files and folders. Now under public_HTML, here we have to upload our HTML website or web page. So all you have to need, click on upload files and click on select files, and now make sure you have your HTML website in zip files. Now you have to select the zip file and click on open, and it may take some moments to upload your file here. And here we can see the zip file uploaded successfully. Now we have to extract the zip file. So select the zip file and just click on this icon to extract file. Select here, click on yes, and here we can see the site zip file successfully extracted. Now you can delete the zip file from here. Now you have to change the rename of your HTML website folder. So select it and right click here and click on rename, and I'm renaming project and hitting on enter. Once done, now I'm going to my WordPress website, and after my WordPress website link, I'm giving a slash and just typing the HTML website folder name and hitting enter. And then as you can see, my HTML website opened and working perfectly. Now if you want to change your site HTML site name, just go to your file manager and just rename this folder and your site name will be changed. So this is how we can add an HTML website in WordPress. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.